my sweet babies.
Good morning, Mama.
Remember, the big wolf lives in the forest.
We will be very careful, Mama.
That is good. Now, let's play.
Yes! Let's run!
Hello, little goats. Mama Wolf is here to play. I will catch you now!
Stay away from my children!
Take this! Ow! What did I do? Stop! My head hurts so much. I will come back for you.
Run before I hit you again.
Why is she so strong? I need a better plan. What is this glowing thing? A magic net! Wow! Now I can catch goats easily. This will be very fun.
I will go to the market now. I need to buy some fresh carrots.
Okay, Mama. Be safe.
Perfect. The goats are alone.
It is time to attack! Gotcha!
Mama! Help! Mama!
No one will save you now.
The wolf took him!
Where is my baby? How dare he touch my baby? I will find him right now.
Oh no! She is coming! Run! Let go of my child! Sorry. I will return him. Not today.
Why are you crying, Wolf?
The goat beat me again. A tiny goat beat you?
Stop laughing at me.
You are useless, Fox. You are the weak one. Let's team up together. Okay, we do it for food.
Come, children, let's have a picnic.
Yay! A picnic!
Stay very close to me.
Yes, Mama. We will.
Watch my strong kick. Wow, you are so strong.
I will go get the ball.
He is coming this way. Quick, open the magic net.
Yes, I am ready.
Got you again!
Mama, help me!
Be quiet, kid!
Mama, help him!
Stop crying! Hurry! Don't drop them!
Wait, that is my baby! Mama, go help him! Hold on, I'm coming! I am coming, my child!
Ow! Ouch! My leg! You are... Come out, big guy! I am trying.
Mama, please be quiet!
She will find us soon.
These are wolf tracks. Mama, please hurry!
She is very close. Stay quiet. Stay quiet.
This is from the magic net.
Mama, he is near!
I can move my leg now. Stop! Stay inside the net! Don't move, little goat!
Tie the neck tighter.
Leave my child alone.
Oh no, she is here!
Sweetie, come to Mama, sweetie.
I am not scared of you!
You should be scared. I will stop you! No, you won't! Take this! Not today! Ow!
My back! Stand up, you silly wolf!
Go, Mama! Go, Mama! You can do it!
Run, Fox! Run!
You are safe now, my babes!
Thank you, Mama. Stay close to me. Yes, Mama.
We are almost home. You are safe now. Come inside quickly. It feels warm here.
My legs hurt so much. My back hurts even more.
It is your fault! No, it is yours!
Are you all okay?
Yes, Mama.
No hurt. never go far alone again.
Far alone again.
We understand, Mama. We will stay close. Good. I love you. Dinner is ready!
Yay!
I am so hungry!
This is tasty.
Eat slowly, my child.
I will never chase goats again. Me too. I quit. Let's eat berries now. Better than getting beaten.
Look, night is coming. The sky is pretty. Mama, we love you.
I love you too. Always listen to your mother.
Yes, Mama.
Time to sleep, little ones.
Okay, Mama. Good night, Mama.
Sweet dreams, my brave little ones. Rest now. If you like my video, press like. Share this video with your friends. Subscribe to my channel. Bye!